Hey guys, RunwithCraftscissors here with some happy mail from Brittania. So let's get started. She is doing a Black Friday sale, so make sure you check that out. I don't remember what the exact percentages is, but you can mention my name when you buy. I do know that it starts, I think, Friday, and then it'll go to like Monday, I think. So it looks like she included some freebies in here, and I'm so excited. All right. Let's open this cello bag. These are called cello bags, in case you didn't know. They basically keep outside weather from damaging your stuff. Okay, so this is the November sampler. How cute. And I do have a candy cane clip now. So how adorable, right? I know. I'm starting to like the photo kits. I had to come around to it, actually. I needed some more laundry stickers. These are her hand-drawn laundry stickers. And then I needed the change the sheet stickers to mark when my husband does that, and I help. But usually he's the one that initiates it, let's face it. All right, this part is an add-on. See, it says kit add-on for the Christmas photo kit. So this gives you your date covers, another quarter box, a checklist, and a Monday through Sunday sheet, and a habit tracker. So that's what's on here. I think it's really worth it to add that if you're a no white space planner. All right, and then this is the full boxes. How cute. And you know I have my gingerbread cookie, right, to go with that. And then I have my candy cane to go with that. And then I have, what else? Oh, the red coffee cup. There's coffee. There's a hot chocolate in there somewhere. So that one is cute too, I think, with it. I'm thinking about doing other Christmas cookies. I haven't quite decided. But there will be a little boy to go with the little girl gingerbread cookie. So we have that coming to us. As far as prices, I think it's on the bottom. I'm trying to remember. So the single sheets are anywhere from $2 to $180. The addition, the kit add-on thing is $2. This is $2. Yeah, and then the change the sheet one was $2.75, and then the laundry one was $1.80. Okay. And then you definitely get to use my coupon code if you want to buy before then. So there's the full boxes and one header that needs to fit there, and then the quarter boxes are down here. And then you have all of your half boxes, freestanding checklists, and then the rest of your headers here, here, and here, another habit tracker, and a little bow quarter box. Okay, and that is it for that kit. So you have your half boxes for that row, you have your checklist and everything. So I really like how the spreads turn out. And so she basically skips the bottom washi. So you have to figure that out. But other than that, like, you have enough, especially when the sampler matches. Oh my gosh. All right. And then I had to have this one. This one is called Winter Critters. So I absolutely needed this one, which is really funny because I'm going to have to make some more winter critters. Because I made, my winter critter was this little bird, the little red bird. And then I think I'm out of hedgies right now. So, and there's a hedgie in here, and I definitely sold out of my owls already in the fall. And then I do have a deer, but he's not look like that. And the little doe deer, like, she's already sold out. I don't even think I have a Rudolph. I don't have one. I don't know where he went. That's funny. So it says cold days and warm hearts. So I feel like this one is very winter. So if you don't want to do Christmas all month long, this one's a good one. Or if you're trying to get your January kits already, I think that this is a good one. We get snow sometimes until like March, so I'm not sweating about trying to make sure I get to this one. I love the little boots on the stump. That just cracks me up. And those little winter hat, so funny. So funny. Okay, and then here's your headers and the checklist. So it's the same format. So it's these two sheets, and then you buy the add-on if you want to. The 2 sheets part is $8. So basically for these two things, it's $10, which is a really good deal. And it's actually a lot cheaper than how she used to do full kits. So just be aware of that I think that it's a better deal. This way you do have to come up with your bottom washi, but I don't feel like that's that big of a deal if you're in a Erin Condren or Recollections or Happy Planner or whatever. If you're in a Happy Planner, you have to come up with extra washi anyway. All right, so I hope you guys love these 2 kits and my little functional. She does lots of other script ones like laundry and oh gosh, cleaning day or something like that, and then a bunch more functionals of those as well. So I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like and please subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.